Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Dah kebayai beting menyekun thema persyak ya Drok ke high level but district level Drok disposal committee jangka sanat Pulit ke Jela Meghalaya. Hapu ke jelam jung mindirang ba ke Jelau Konrad ke Sangma. Kelapin julor dah bathangno ya Drok beliau Kurup hapu ke kendon jangkaan narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances ubusyong dorasan pulai poin prapun riu Klur tingka. Haga Pajwa berhem jangka Star Cement Limited ke badan Lumshnong East Giant Hills District. Haga ni sengi lasa kilang degi sembut mindirang ba ka jela makin thop yuba preston tensong berubah senang balang dahar ka menteri Sorkar ke kong Amprin Lingdo ke MLA ke kong Santa Mary Shella ki Pulit bat kiwe. Habakaran haga ni sengi mindirang ba uluong baga Sorkar jela ke nyai beteng banyakun persyak yu Drok ubla penjat degi jingim jing bebun ki samla ki bidang ke dangsan. Uluong ru baga Sorkar jela lima ka drug reduction, elimination and action mission kala jing kersya ni samla ki belangop haga jing di Drok bakinya kun persyak yu ni jing di ubas niu. Udrok ubla Thang pinjulor haga ni sengi uday ubla dep register case hapo ke NDPS Act haga Sandliki District jong ke East Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills, Ribhoy, West Giant Hills but East Giant Hills.
It amounts to more than 53 crores, the market value. These are drugs. These are drugs that have been seized in different cases, in a total of 56 different cases from different districts of Eastern Range. So we would like to inform that we have the amount of seized drugs in Eastern Range, which is still waiting for disposal, is nearly double what we are disposing today, sir. We are hoping to get necessary court orders to expedite that process. Unfortunately, the gap between the last time we had such a big disposal and now, sir, it's nearly 2 years, sir. In fact, more than 2 years. We had the last time, the one in 2022. We hope to be making this a regular affair so that it doesn't keep accumulating, and all those allegations that there has been siphoning off from the Malkhanas, etc., does not keep recurring. I would like to assure everybody present here that whatever is seized and whatever is shown in and forwarded to court remains court property until we get an order from court for disposing. So there's no question of any kind of pilferage or any kind of deviation from the norms that have been set under the NDPS rule. Further, I would also like to inform that under the NDPS rules, what we have disposed of today will have to be certified by the committee which has been set up for this particular purpose. The IOs of the various cases are here today, or the OCs of the police station for which the case has been registered and which the CZ has been made, will then give a certification, and this certification goes to court, and only then the whole process of disposal of any seized drugs is completed. The amount that has been disposed of today is minus the amount drawn for samples for sending for either for testing or for other purposes. While we are destroying a majority of the drugs that have been seized, this would include heroin and ganja. We have more than 2,600 kgs of ganja being destroyed today. We have more than 3 kgs of heroin being destroyed today. We have a small quantity of opium, that goes to the opium center in Gazipur, which we are mandated to do, and we have in fact coordinated with the National Waters Control Bureau, which has facilitated and ensured that we adhere to all these rules under the NDPS.
Habis hilang yang kedua jom ini Drok sekolah apoi pembelajaran pun sampai Klur tingkat. Akaban nak kalian jom polis, nak kalian jom ki Pajwa, masuk rom dia kebun ki seng halang ki kebun ki Lumshnong ki Thang, ki bekelang rengkat berkatin jom polis berkat Sorkar, ki baju ya jingkir, ya ki bril, ki ba supply lalu ki ba wanra ki dijai. Drok sebagai hapok menjelang ini dengan sebelum cibunnya usia sebelum cibunnya dia minta kasih kembali siam bila pakai lalang yang pendek kimde mansutu berpelan markidon teng-teng di bami akikot kuar lain hujan kebetulan orang ngigeli Pulit sianu kibu itu Drok kita bilang FC dia orang itu malah dia pensis kaan kalau NDPS kaong dapat saya kira bagi hapan somit sebut, bagi hapan bukan minum nak balik dan muibat yang somit sebut, bagi kadang lu ke komiti step by step, nadu ke district level committee, nadu ke high level committee, bagi nata rengkap, bagi direction bawaan sebut, yakini kemar kemengalah mentai ke bantang no, dari penduduk jat no, kadai hadir rayu order sebut, dia nak kadang kini kita somit business. Dan hau ajar Al-Quran ngelalah destroy jadi katukan ni terlei nama bahasa sakut ataupun mentah kerti kapul ajar order clearance mengelakkan pendek dengan wah percaya hang ni kalau nak kalian coba Sorkar day bagi buri day bagi wah ban kerja je kumita terlei day tang nak takadau pelong kapur bangi hapalian step by step kakum kanilaan kaba kaladon apa juni ngale tu ya kini kerja nalu ilade ya kaban play ya ka office ka kertam kabi ong ka ANTF team dari ANTF office ka belum dedicated fully na kabenta umno ki trace tomban perlu jadi drops apa kajingalam jom japal singu bare IPS USP, bapek bakmi nak minta kejelam nikla jogi barokoi dengan kermenskan dak jindon dak jogi dari office ka NTPF kaleu karya sibun nak nesma ban perlu jai ya kini jai jindi ki basir ke ki penjot omtang ya UWA nei ki pun ki balang nadu ki kena ki bedang red hadu ki kena ki bedang temen dan ki orang ba ki bedang temen ki bangok ini ki jingre ti nak kata daun nak liang jungi ke Sorkar nginum tiak nginum dem bat ni kertas red kia torok ki stakeholder siap torok ki nok Lumshnong jo bercela jungi nginum ya keren su tang ya East Jantia dan West Jantia dan East Kasih Henry hap torok keleng sodong jo bercela mikala jungi tapi jungi nak keleng komen kolomba tu ini trailer nadu kinong sensasyon nadu kinong sensyar hima kumju ki seng balang ki batero per ki seng tentei ki seng samlasyon por kapag kerpat kolong tu ini trailer bat lagi yo ya beijing tip kanu kin sego bahaban tertib siap ki police station dari police outpost jadi ki bab ni labu ki direction ni ai direction kapag tikna kapag paka kumno ban handle ya kini issue ki ba ni issue hei hadu kata Tingi semua burung nak kalian mencoba police department, bawa chief minister daladi, nang tahu deputy chief minister, bawa semua barang dah, hukum juri, kong aprin, balom minister juga health department, nang tahu local MNI jungi, kong santai dalam akan kasih, nak komentar banyak penpau lang yang kecil semua kia jungi.
Today the particular process that we have followed, in which we have destroyed a large quantity of drugs is once again another example of our commitment as a state government for the war against drugs in our state. Many steps have been taken in the past and many more will be taken in the future. In the last few months, we have opened up the police station specifically to fight against drugs, and the team has been set up. Different programs, policies have been created by the state government in order to ensure that this war against drugs is taken to the next level. And today, once again, as I said, we are here to prove and to also show the entire state that we are very, very serious about the war against drugs. And I would like to give my sense of appreciation and congratulations to the police department, which has done an excellent job, headed by our DGP and the other officials who are in charge, our SP in charge of the ANT and the anti-narcotics task force, and all the other SPs who are working closely in tandem with them, and all the other officials of the administration also who are working closely. Today, as our Deputy Commissioner has mentioned, that drugs worth over 53 crores have been destroyed, which includes almost about 23.98 crores worth of heroin, which has been destroyed, about 7.6 crores worth of ganja, about 21.3 crores worth of white crystal meth, and many other forms of drugs and substance abuse that is there. The materials, those have been today destroyed. And again, as mentioned by DGP, we have in our stock more that will be destroyed in the coming months, but there are procedures that need to be followed as per law, and certain permissions need to be taken from the court. And as a very strong message to our state, our citizens, that we are very serious about this, and this particular war and the fight against drugs will continue. But in order for us to overcome this, we need to work together. And so I also take this opportunity to appeal to the citizens, to the community, to our people, that we must be in this together and work together as a team. I'm happy today that our health minister also is here. Health department has a huge role to play. The social welfare department is also playing a very active role and is anchoring, in fact, the dream project and the mission that we have. which is to eliminate and also provide rehabilitation to the drug users in the best possible manner and eliminate drugs in terms of the supply that is there coming into our state and the country as a whole.